Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on profit and equities. In this video, we'll be talking about Geojit's top stock picks for 2019. Please watch this video to know more. Now the first stock on the list is Exide Industries Limited, which is available at Rs 257.50 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is EXIDEIND. Now Exide Industries Limited is a storage battery company which designs, manufactures, markets and sells a range of lead acid storage batteries. Now Exide Industries Limited is the leader in storage battery business with a market share of 60% in India. Its segments include automotive and industrial lead acid batteries. Now revenue for Q2 FY19 grew by 15.3% on a year-on-year basis, led by healthy volume growth across segments in automobile, inverter and industrial batteries. EBITDA margin however has slipped by 30% due to higher fuel cost and rupee depreciation. Higher lead price and rupee depreciation remain a concern for Exide Industries in the near term. However, Geojit still remains positive on the long-term outlook of Exide owing to higher acceptance of battery engineering and expects the revenue and net profit to grow by 15% and 16% CAGR over FY18 to 20. The second stock on the list is PI Industries Limited, which is available at Rs 863.40 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is PIIND. Now PI Industries Limited is a holding company. The company is engaged in the manufacturing and distribution of agrochemicals. Its geographical segments include sales within India and sales outside India. Now PI Industries manufactures plant protection and specialty plant nutrient products and solutions under its agri-input business. Now its Q2 FY19 sales rose by 29% on a year-on-year basis, primarily due to strong domestic and export sales. EBITDA margin declined by close to 317 basis points year-on-year to 18.6% due to higher cost and currency fluctuation. Geojit expects EBITDA margin to recover to 21.8% in FY20, supported by improving product mix, niche launches, and strong earnings visibility from CSM business. They expect the net profit to grow by 19% CAGR over FY18 to 20, owing to continued traction in the commercialization of molecules, scale-up of exports, healthy R&D pipeline, commissioning of new plants, and robust order book position. Hence, they continue to remain their positive stance on the stock. Now the third stock on the list is PNC Infotech Limited, which is available at Rs 150.10 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is PNC INFRA. Now PNC Infotech Limited is an infrastructure, construction, development and management company. The company is primarily engaged in the areas of infrastructure projects including highways, bridges, flyovers, power transmission lines, airport runways and other infrastructure activities. It has expertise in the execution of projects including highways, bridges, flyovers, airport runways, industrial areas and transmission lines. PNC's Q2 FY19 revenue grew by 108% on a year-on-year basis, led by strong execution of big-ticket orders. However, EBITDA margin slipped 143 basis points year-on-year to 13.4% due to higher RM cost and other expenses. Order book remains robust at Rs 10,632 crores, which is 5 times its trailing 12-month revenue and provides improved visibility. Most of the projects are now in execution stage with 85% land availability. Hence, Geojit expects revenue to grow at a CAGR of 39% over FY18 to 20. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.